The truth.
The Legend Dealer, what up, Dealer Game Squad? I'm back again with another video for you guys. Y'all, I'm sorry. I know in my last video I said I was going to be consistent and I was going to start posting more. But y'all, I just got so many things going on at once, and it's kind of hard to find time for everything. So, I figured since I have free time, I just go ahead and film this video for you guys. So next month, April, we have to give our 2 months notice if we're going to be here or not, and we're not going to be here. We're going to end up moving again. So our lease isn't up until July. So I figured, you know what, let me go ahead and get this video out for you guys before we move, And we've been here since July 2018, and it is now March 2019. So we've been here for a year already. Almost a year and a half, kind of, I believe so. So I figured, you know what better time to go ahead and film this video. Let me get this out the way. So, when we move, I can give you guys a unfurnished house tour and a furnished house tour. So, guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let's get into this video. Now, if you guys can tell, this is the front door. Also, a little PSA, I have a cold, so I might be coughing a little bit in this video and stuff. Just bear with me, y'all. Alright, so this is the front door. Now, we have 2 hallways to my left. This is where the bedrooms and the bathrooms and everything is. And then this way, this leads into the living room and kitchen. So we're going to go this way first. Now, to my left, we have a door. This is supposed to be like a coat closet or whatever. But we're just using it for a bunch of quilts that I need to fold up, actually. Don't mind the mess, y'all. We just use it for a storage closet, basically. Alright. So when you walk into the living room, this is what you see. Don't mind these couches, y'all. My cousin gave them to me, and they were like this when we got them from her. I don't know what the heck she used on them to make them turn this color, but, yeah. Alright. So on this side, as you guys can see, we have a floor lamp. A table with a suitcase on it with some boxes, and a few more boxes under there, and a bag. These bags, the black bag, my dumb ass said these bags in the black bag. Forgive me, y'all. This bag right here, the black bag is filled with a lot of sheets and pillowcases and stuff. And these boxes, they're just filled with a lot of glass, dishes and stuff. TV stand. Alright, y'all, I'm sorry, my cousin called me, so, I had to take that phone call. Alright, so I left off talking about the TV and the TV stand. Now, the TV we're going to keep, or I might replace it. I don't know. This is really my son's TV, because he be the one in here watching it the most. This TV stand we're not going to keep. We're going to actually throw that away because, as you guys can tell, the paint is peeling off, and there's no door on it because my son broke the door. So, yeah, we're going to get rid of that. These couches, actually, we're going to get rid of these too. Because I honestly have no idea why they're peeling off like this. Like, I'm not sure what she put on it to make them do this. So, we're definitely going to be, getting rid of these when we move. Ignore my shorts on it, y'all. I had them on and I took them off. Shit, I was hot. Over in this corner, we have my grandpa's walker and a little cart that we used to go to the store right up the street. We have the family dining room table. Ignore the stuff on there. And then over here, we have a china cabinet. There's nothing in here really, just a bunch of napkins and straws and, cups and stuff like that. And then over here we have another box that's filled with dishes that I packed up. Now y'all know, if you've never had a bag, like bags in your kitchen with more bags in them, you ain't black. I'm playing, y'all. I think everybody might have had, that going on. And then we just have our our broom and, stuff over here. Right here, I don't really have anything. Just my books and stuff that I really should have in my room instead of in here. So right here, we have our water cooler. We don't have any jugs up there right now because my grandfather went to go get some, make groceries and stuff. So we took the jugs with him so he could fill them up. All right, now we have the kitchen right here. I'll give y'all like a little overview. So my hand can stop shaking. I don't know why it's shaking like that. Okay, let's start on the left side. So on this side, we don't really have anything. We got the basics. I got my son's tablet box up here, some chargers, cleaning supplies, some paper towels, a little towel that I keep right here to put the dishes on so I can dry, to let them dry and stuff. I was in the middle of washing some dishes too, y'all. Just the basic stuff. None too serious. And then up here I have some wipes, a pen, and my headphones. Y'all, real quick, have y'all ever tried these before? These little Debbie strawberry shortcakes? Y'all, these are good. If you haven't tried them, you need to. They gonna change your life. Alright, moving on. We got a cabinet up here. Just with some dishes, some honey buns, Nothing major, y'all. We have a dishwasher right here. Y'all, I don't even use dishwashers. I like to, wash the dishes by hand. The old-fashioned way. If you're like that, leave a comment in the comment box below and let me know, because I know I'm not alone with that. Alright, we got the essentials, some bread, hot fries, all that good stuff. Now, as I said, my grandpa went to go, make groceries. So this is kind of what we're working with right now. Ignore the mess down below. My son made a whole mess earlier, so I haven't cleaned it yet, but I'm going to. And then this is what we're working with the freezer. Y'all, we ain't got shit in there really. And then, got some. Y'all, okay, look. If you don't know how to make cornbread, but you like cornbread, get the Jiffy. This is like literally so easy to do. Just get a bowl, mix it up, put a little flour, a little meal, a pinch of salt, add milk, an egg, and all that good stuff. Just pop in the oven. It's easy. That's all you gotta do. It don't take you long. Like if you don't know how to make cornbread, get that. Alright, that's what we're working with for the cabinet. In the cabinet, you got the seasonings at the bottom. All that good stuff. Stove. Don't mind that pot sitting up there. I have to clean that as well. I know, this is literally so ghetto, right? And then this one, I don't know what's up in here. Okay, we got some gloves. Alright, not amazing. We don't have nothing up here. Alright, so we have our little containers of meal, and it was rice in there, but it's not in there. Toaster, I have to clean that as well. This is where our cups and stuff go. We got some brown sugar and some pancake mix. And then under here, we just got more dishes and stuff, pots and pans. And this is what we're working with for the kitchen, y'all. Alright, y'all, so we get into the bedroom part now. Alright, to my left, or this might be my right, y'all. I get confused sometimes, so bear with me and just correct me if I get it wrong. And here we just have our washer and dryer. These actually came with the apartment, so, I'm actually doing some laundry right now. And to my right, we have our, I believe it's called linen closet. I'm not really sure. We don't really have anything in there except some pillow, towels, suitcases, my grandpa's shoes, because like our closet, or I can't even talk. Our closet space is like not really big, but y'all gonna see. I'm about to show you. All right, this is my bathroom right here. Hey y'all can see me. I ain't want to let y'all see me because I look ratchet and raggedy. This is what my bathroom looking like. I tried to make like a theme, so the theme was supposed to be like all black. But yeah, I don't got nothing up there. It's nothing in these cabinets or nothing. Well, actually, right here, I had to put my deodorant because my son got to it and sprayed it all out. So, I had to move that. Alright, so we're going into my room. It's nothing major or nothing like that. I'm actually proud of what I have. So most people aren't fortunate to have this, so Alright, so right here, this is the bed that I had from the old place when we moved. Well, technically, no, this was my grandpa's bed. It had a headboard and everything, but it was broke. So I threw that out and I just kept the box spring and the mattress and stuff. And I gave him my old bed because I didn't like it. But when we move, I will be getting a whole new bed and everything, so wait for that. Here go my dresser. We got my wig here. I got my wig on, so that's why it's not on here. I got my makeup, baby lotion, and my air freshener and stuff like that. I'm going to be throwing this away too when we move, because I'm going to be getting a whole new bedroom set, so this going in the trash too. Shoe stand with my shoes and my son's shoes. This going in the trash too. Basically, everything in this room that's toe up is going in the trash. Now, y'all tried to make me a little vanity. I think it came out okay. I just need to, make it a little higher and get a mirror and everything, and the rest of the stuff, and I'll be good. So right here is my underwear and my bras. I'm not gonna let y'all see it. I will show you what I have in here though. There's not really much of anything in this first one. Kind of like my lotion and sunglasses in there. My hair scars and hair ties and some grease and hairspray. This one is not much in here either, except like my speakers, selfie sticks, some iPhone cases, chargers, stuff like that. I have my essential, ladies, we gotta keep that dish on deck, right? Because we gotta stay clean. Body wash, toothpaste. I have some in here. I'm not gonna tell y'all what I be using it for though, but and then we have some hair ties and stuff. Y'all, I'm out of breath. I know y'all probably hear me breathing all hard and shit. I literally just got done moving some heavy ass stuff to the trash, so Alright. So remember when I told y'all that our closet space wasn't big? So this is technically what I'm working with right now. It's not big, but I really don't have that many clothes. My son has more clothes than I do. So it's technically okay, I guess. Ignore this box, y'all. My son be up in here hiding and stuff, and he be smushing the box in. That box don't have nothing except pillowcases and stuff. And this is the other side. Actually, you know what? I guess I do really have a lot of stuff, so this is really not much room. Got some Bath and Body Works, so I'm about to do a video on that for y'all later. So yeah, this is my room. I'll give y'all a little overview. Alright, so we're gonna go to my grandpa's room. I'm just gonna show y'all his room and his closet. I'm not gonna show the bathroom out of, respect and privacy. Hush, please. So this is my grandpa's room. This is the bed that I had. I didn't like it, so I gave it to my grandpa. So hi, Malachi. Hi. Alright. That right there is the bathroom. I'm not gonna show y'all. I will show y'all his closet though. But yeah, like I said, guys, as you can see, our closet space is like really horrible. We don't really have room for anything. Yes, Papa, I see. I'm gonna show y'all his refrigerator. And see, we really don't have anything. He don't have anything except like juice and water and some fruit cups and stuff like that. But yeah, this is his room. Say bye. But that's all I'm gonna show. I'm not gonna show his bathroom. Like I said, out of respect and privacy. But yeah, guys, this is everything. This completes the apartment tour. I hope you guys liked it. Like I said, we will be getting new everything once we move again. We were actually supposed to move in January, but we weren't aware that we were supposed to like give like a 2 months notice. We thought like it was just a 30-day thing. Hey y'all, I hope you liked the apartment tour. Give me a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Comment and subscribe. Let me know in the description box down below what you guys want to see me do next. Gotta hurry up and get up out of here because I damn near reached my limit. So, I love you guys. Thanks for 300 subscribers. I'm going to try to upload more, so I hope you guys like this video and everything. So, yeah, see y'all later, and I'm out. Bye.